Hey guys, is this on? Hey guys, okay, so I have my handy dandy recipe here. Today's gonna be a different type of vlog. We're gonna fix this. Okay, we're gonna fix that after we're done fixing that. I'm gonna use a recipe and I'll link it below, but I'm gonna be tweaking it for people that have gluten issues. In my office, we do have some people that are gluten-free tolerable, that prefer gluten-free desserts. So we're gonna make cranberry orange muffins gluten-free style. The only thing that makes it really gluten-free is the actual flour. Hold on, let me get that. If you guys can see it, I'm sorry, by the way, guys, if you guys not have seen my Instagram stories, I got in aligners and I can't speak with these things, so bear with me. I might need to put subtitles, but this is gluten-free flour blend. So this is what we're gonna be using. If you don't like it, switch it to regular flour. It's fine, life will go on, you will go on. All right, first things first is I hate my hair down in the kitchen. So we will have my hair up in the kitchen at all times. So even if this all goes wrong, I've never really made the dessert before. I think I made it once and it went okay. But if it all goes wrong, you didn't hear it from me, you didn't get it from my YouTube channel, and you didn't get the recipe, okay? Okay. One more thing before we start this, because I have a serious double chin issue, and you all have not even told me, just a bunch of liars. So I am gonna get out my handy dandy. Hold on one second, I'm gonna rip the box open. I don't even know if you know what this is. This is not sponsored, by the way. So I have an actual thing that I put in my mouth to get my face in shape, okay? If you don't know what this is, I suggest you look it up because I don't even know what this is called. Jaw exerciser. Because this whole double chin thing, nobody wants that. You guys are curious of what the ingredients are. So these are the tray pans I'm gonna use. And if you notice, they have covers. Cupcake trays or muffin trays, as you can say. These are brand new. I'm going to be using these with the baking cups just to place so that way they don't burn, and I usually double pan all my baking stuff. Just a toothpick, just make sure when you put it inside the actual muffin that nothing is on it. That means it's fully cooked. If there's stuff on the toothpick itself, that means it's not done baking. Baking powder, eggs, cranberries, and just to let you guys know, I would always go for fresh, but cranberries are not in season right now. Switching out flour for gluten-free flour, plant-based milk. This is pea, so let me just turn this around. This is actually pea milk. Milk's from peas, no nuts, no soy, all that good stuff. Salt, canola oil. I really would prefer vegetable oil, but this is what I have right now. Vanilla extract, and light brown sugar. Bada bing, bada boom. Forgot oranges. if you see them, I probably should have put more dough. I was thinking about cupcakes, like when you put them like halfway in the little little circles in here in the pans, that they would rise, but not a lot of them did rise. Alright. Let's go to one. Nothing on it. How about this one? Nothing on it. They look good. Alright guys, I'm gonna bend down because I don't want it to cut off my face. But I totally left for a little bit because I had to take care of something. So this is what they look like. Okay, let's try one. Oh my god, it says 3 papers. Ah! So let me show you what it looks like. Okay. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Wow. I'm impressed. And you can taste the cranberries and like the orange. So if you guys really like this type of content, let me know, because I was thinking about doing like food. I'll do pastries here and there, but I would love to do food recipes with you guys. You guys can see so many things. So just like I mentioned, this just needs to get more batter and it would just be a perfect little muffin. But they are really good. Another thing that I found out is that you could throw in the like the sanding sugar. It's almost like that clear sugar, and you could put it on top to let it cook, and it would become more sweeter. But I think it's sweet the way it is. And it's not too sweet, which I like. And gluten-free, it's still good. So if you guys like this, please like the button. Click the like button if you like this. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned. Take care. I love you guys. Take care. Peace.